In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok Pro Events referral not working. Intro. First things first, you do need to update the TikTok Pro Events from the App Store. So back out, open up the App Store, search for TikTok Pro, select it, and if it says update or mine says open, go ahead and select that, and then of course go ahead and restart the app. Also make sure both of your accounts do meet the referral requirements, that invited person is using the correct referral link as well, and if the referral still doesn't count, avoid creating multiple accounts or repeatedly opening up the same link because eligibility restrictions may apply. And then of course you could also try signing out and signing back in or reinstalling the app, but if none of those fixes do work, the referral promotion may have just ended on your account, or you may not be specific or eligible for that specific order. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.